Will jailbreaking my Roku TV damage it?
Hello there. Today we're going to be discussing a topic that has stirred up quite the debate among tech enthusiasts: jailbreaking your Roku TV. Specifically, we'll be focusing on whether or not this process could potentially damage your device. Let's jump right in.
What is jailbreaking?
First things first, let's talk about what jailbreaking really means. The term jailbreaking is most commonly used to describe a process where you bypass the restrictions put in place by the device's manufacturer. The main goal here is to access or install software that is typically not permitted. In the case of Roku TV, jailbreaking would potentially mean bypassing its restrictions to install unofficial or unsupported applications.
Is it legal to jailbreak my Roku TV?
This question is often asked, and it's a fair one. Generally, jailbreaking a device is legal, but it could lead to issues with warranty or terms of service agreements. For example, Roku's terms and conditions state that unauthorized alteration or modification of the software in your device is not permitted. Therefore, jailbreaking your Roku TV may violate Roku's terms and conditions and could potentially result in a loss of warranty or service support.
Can jailbreaking damage my Roku TV?
Now to the main question. Will jailbreaking your Roku TV damage it? The answer is not straightforward. Technically, the act of jailbreaking itself should not cause physical damage to your Roku TV. However, jailbreaking could lead to potential issues that could indirectly harm your device. Once jailbroken, your Roku TV will be exposed to software that hasn't been vetted or approved by Roku. These unauthorized apps or systems could contain malware that may compromise your device's security or cause software instability. Over time, if these issues persist or escalate, they could lead to irreparable harm to your Roku TV. In worst-case scenarios, this could brick your device, essentially rendering it useless. Bricking is a term used when a device can no longer function, often due to software errors or hardware failures.
Are there alternatives to jailbreaking?
If you're looking for more content and options on your Roku TV, but you don't want to take the risks associated with jailbreaking, you're in luck. Roku has thousands of channels, which are really just apps, that you can add to your Roku TV. This includes numerous streaming services, games, and utilities. Alternatively, if there's a specific service or app you want to use that's not available on Roku, you may want to consider getting a different streaming device that supports it. In conclusion, while jailbreaking your Roku TV technically shouldn't damage the device itself, the potential risks associated with unauthorized applications and violation of the terms of service make it a less desirable action. Weigh your options carefully, consider the potential consequences, and remember, there's usually an alternative. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful.